Hello, welcome to Flixwater YouTube channel. Water hardness is a common issue that many homeowners face when it comes to water quality. Hard water contains high levels of minerals like magnesium and calcium, which can lead to scale buildup and other problems. It can also make it difficult to clean dishes and laundry effectively, as well as leaving your skin feeling dry and itchy. If you suspect that you have hard water, there are a few methods you can use to test its hardness. One simple and inexpensive way to test for hard water is to perform a Soapsuds test. You'll need a clean bottle with a tight-fitting cap, some water from your tap, and pure liquid soap. Fill the bottle 1/3 full with water and add a few drops of liquid soap. Shake the bottle vigorously for a few seconds and observe the results. If you see a lack of fluffy bubbles and the water appears cloudy or milky, it's an indication of hard water. On the other hand, soft water will produce copious bubbles and clear water at the bottom of the bottle. Another option is to use a water hardness test kit, which can be purchased from a home improvement store or online. These kits typically include test strips and a color chart. To use the kit, fill a glass with cold water from your tap and dip the test strip into the water for a few seconds. Remove the strip and compare its color to the chart provided in the kit. Each color corresponds to a different level of water hardness, usually measured in grains per gallon (GPG). This method gives you a more accurate assessment of your water hardness compared to the Soapsuds test. If you prefer a more comprehensive water analysis, you can send a sample to a third-party lab for testing. However, this is usually unnecessary for most water issues since in-home test kits provide instant information and results. Additionally, many major home improvement stores and online retailers offer test kits that can assess other factors like alkalinity, chlorine, iron, nitrates, and pH. Once you have determined your water's hardness, you can use that information to choose the appropriate solution. Water hardness is often reported in milligrams per liter, mg/L, as calcium carbonate. You can refer to a scale provided by the U.S. Geological Survey to understand the hardness level based on the reported value. Dealing with hard water is important to maintain the efficiency of your appliances and to improve your overall water quality. While hard water itself isn't harmful to your health, it can cause issues like scale buildup, clogged shower heads, and dry skin. One solution is to install a whole home water softener, which uses special salts to counteract the minerals in hard water. Alternatively, you can install a softener specifically for your hot water supply if you prefer to only soften the hot water. If you're looking for a more affordable option, you can use vinegar to combat scale buildup. Vinegar is effective in cleaning hard water residue from various surfaces, such as counters, fixtures, and shower walls. It can also be used to decale your coffee maker and reduce mineral buildup in your washing machine by adding half to 1 cup of vinegar during the rinse cycle. By testing the hardness of your water and understanding its effects, you can choose the right approach to improve your water quality and address any related issues effectively. Let's explore some methods to test water hardness and determine your water's quality. Method 1. Soapsuds test. Prepare the bottle. Find a clean glass or plastic bottle with a tight-fitting cap. Fill the bottle about 1/3 full with water straight from the faucet, which should be approximately 8 to 10 ounces. Add dishwashing liquid. Add 10 drops of pure liquid soap to the bottle. Make sure to use pure liquid soap and not detergent. Then, tightly cap the bottle. Shake well. Shake the bottle vigorously for at least 10 seconds to mix the water and soap thoroughly. Observe the results. Set the bottle down and observe the results. If the soapy solution foams up quickly, creating a lot of suds, and the water below the suds layer is relatively clear, you probably have at least fairly soft water. On the other hand, if the solution does not foam up well, creating only a shallow layer of suds, and the water below the suds is cloudy, you likely have hard water. Method 2. Water hardness test kit. Obtain a water hardness test kit. Purchase a water hardness test kit from a home improvement store or reputable online retailer. Ensure that the kit includes test strips and a color chart. Collect a water sample. Fill a glass with cold water from your tap. It's essential to use water from the tap you wish to test and not running water. Dip the test strip. Insert the test strip into the water sample for several seconds. Avoid just sticking the strip under running water, as this can lead to inaccurate results. Remove the test strip. After a few seconds, remove the test strip from the water sample. Compare the colors. As the test strip changes color, compare it to the color chart included in your kit. Each color on the chart corresponds to a specific level of water hardness measured in grains per gallon (GPG). don't receive one, proceed to the next step, contact your water supplier. If you didn't receive a water report or need more specific information about water hardness, call your local water municipality. They should be able to provide you with information about the hardness of your water. By following these steps, you can effectively test the hardness of your water and gain insights into its quality. Remember that these methods provide a rough estimate, and for more accurate and comprehensive results, you can consider a professional water test conducted by an independent laboratory. Understanding your water hardness will guide you in finding the appropriate solutions to address any related issues and ensure optimal water usage in your home. I hope this revision provides a more comprehensive and valuable script on how to test water hardness. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel for next topics or click to see the next videos on the right.